A cyber attack has hit public Wi-Fi at train stations including Manchester Piccadilly and Victoria. The attack affected users when they attempted to log on to the service at Network Rail managed stations. People were met with a web page containing information about terror incidents. The page was headlined "We Love You Europe" and appeared to have an anti-Islamic message. Birmingham New Street was also affected by the attack, as well as 11 London stations, including Euston and London Victoria. The incident happened on Wednesday, September 25th, and British Transport Police say it was reported shortly after 5 p.m. The stations are managed by Network Rail, and the Wi-Fi service is provided by a third party. The communications company which provides the Wi-Fi have confirmed they are looking into what happened. Network Rail said British Transport Police are investigating the incident. This service is provided via a third party and has been suspended while an investigation is underway. A British Transport Police spokesperson said, "We are aware of a cyber attack that affected some Network Rail Wi-Fi services. They are working with Network Rail to investigate the incident." Follow for more.